Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Behind me is our small spider crane. The maximum lifting capacity of this one is 8 tons. The maximum working radius is 16 meters. And the maximum lifting height is 17.5 meters. It has 5 arms and has 4 hydraulic retractable legs. This spider crane has a diesel engine and an electrical motor, so it can use the diesel as the power source or electricity as the power source. This is a remote controller. You can use this remote controller to control the operation of the crane from a distance. This is the manual control area. There is a screen here, and there is an angle length measuring equipment on the crane. So the control system can display the lifting length and the angle in real time and use this to calculate the current maximum lifting weight. When working, first extend the arms and then the system will calculate the maximum lifting weight. When lifting heavy objects, if the weight of the object exceeds the maximum lifting weight, the system will automatically stop the lifting action. In this way to ensure the safe operation of the crane. Now is a test. The steel oil is 60 tons. Welcome to contact us if you are interested in this machine.